Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes, art challenges to try in your own style. Today I am making a mixed up instrument. You can try this art challenge with me by making a drawing of 2 or more instruments mixed together in your own style. You will need a piece of paper, tracing paper, a pencil, an eraser, a Sharpie, and printed pictures of instruments or other musical equipment. As well, you can have anything else that will help you with your idea. I begin my mixed up instrument by tracing half of one instrument on the tracing paper. If you have a light box, you can also trace directly onto your drawing paper. This works in a window as well. I am tracing the bottom half of an acoustic guitar to start my mixed up instrument. What instrument might you begin with? Next, I creatively combine a second instrument with my acoustic guitar. Notice how I use the tracing paper to perfectly help me line up where I want to position this trumpet with the guitar. I've noticed that some people have the feeling that tracing is like cheating and is not a real way to draw. I always recommend making art in your own style, and sometimes tracing can help artists find joy and success in what they are making. Plus, lots of artists trace, myself included. In my opinion, tracing is an important skill that can help artists grow their confidence and their fine motor skills. All of this tracing can be hard on your hands, and I think artists should take care of their bodies and their minds whenever making art. Check out this stretch and self-massage you can try to make your hands and your mind feel happy. Simply interlace your fingers and press away gently until you feel an easy stretch in your fingers. Then use your thumbs to massage the inside of the opposite hand. Lastly, shake out any extra discomfort. I seriously recommend trying this whenever your drawing and supporting hands feel tired. Your hands will seriously thank you. After a bit of self-care, we can jump back into our mixed-up instrument art challenge. Place your tracing paper onto your drawing paper and press firmly into place with your supporting hand. You can also use tape or a paper clip to help you. Make sure that your tracing paper is facing down so that the side you drew on is touching the paper. With your design in place, simply trace firmly one more time so that the pencil's graphite can transfer to the drawing paper. Check out how that's working for me with my mixed up instrument. This is what I call tracing magic. Once you have successfully transferred your mixed up instrument to the drawing paper, you can begin to outline with Sharpie or any other drawing tool to help make your design pop off the paper. Do notice how I fit in a second small hand massage before moving forward. You might consider fitting that into your busy drawing schedule as well. The last steps of this art challenge are simply to decorate and color. Really aspire to make your drawing into an amazing work of art. You may feel free to draw a gyumpet like me, or you can make your own mixed up instrument. Whatever you choose, I know you're going to rock it. I do hope that you try this art challenge for yourself. Simply make a drawing of 2 or more instruments mixed together in your own creative style. When you are done, cherish and love your mixed up instrument with family and friends. Remember that yours may turn out more like a doodle than a masterpiece, and that is okay. Either way, take pride in being the amazing artist that you are. Happy making, artists! Enjoy!